Crypto, Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum. Everywhere we go, the new talk is crypto. Do you feel left out because you're unsure what the whole thing is really about? Well, in today's video, I am going to be teaching you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video for some mind-blowing cryptocurrency news. Anyway, welcome back to Finance Talks, my robot family, and as I've just mentioned in today's video, I will be giving you all the crypto information you need to become a cryptocurrency genius, sort of. Just quickly, this is not financial advice and this video was made for entertainment purposes. Lastly, if you find any value from this video, please smash the like button for more fabulous finance content. Right, enough of the boring stuff, let's dive into the video. Okay, so for those of you wondering what cryptocurrency actually is, here's a definition for you. Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Sounds simple, right? Basically, it's just a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Even that sounds complicated, doesn't it? That was supposed to be funny, but my robot voice can't express that, unfortunately. So here's what I really think of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Firstly, the coin doesn't really have any stability. The coin could crash by 90% tomorrow. Crypto doesn't really give you much stability, unlike stocks. I can't lie, I have some of my portfolio in crypto, because just in case, right? Here's a question for you. The creator of Bitcoin goes by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, and whose identity is a complete mystery. Surely if this is the new big form of digital money and has a market cap of $1 trillion, we would know a bit more about the person who created it, and that's why this just doesn't sit right with me. This isn't a video against crypto, by the way. I actually like it and I'm invested in it, but my final concern is if crypto grows massively and the government brings out their own crypto coin, it could send Bitcoin down by a large amount, and that's what worries me. But anyway, it's worth the risk in my eyes, and a lot of famous, rich people do back it as well. Businesses like Tesla putting $1.5 billion into Bitcoin boosted the price by $10,000 in the space of minutes, and then a few days Elon Musk tweeting the price is too high right now and it comes back down about $10,000. But anyway, this is still good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, that huge businesses like this think it's necessary to put some of their profits into Bitcoin. Right, I'm just going to give you some information on buying crypto if you're interested. So, if you're just starting with a small amount and want to buy and sell easily in some of the biggest coins, then I recommend somewhere like eToro. But if you're looking to put a larger amount in, hold for a long time and invest in a lot more coins, then I recommend somewhere like Binance or Coinbase. Just a quick piece of advice, all these places are secured and they all have support employees ready to help you if there is any problems. If you're new to crypto, I recommend setting an account up on somewhere like eToro. It's easy to buy and sell coins and it just gives you more of a feel for the crypto market. But if you're looking to create a larger portfolio and get more of a detailed representation of the crypto market and want to invest more of a larger amount, I definitely recommend signing up to a place like Binance or Coinbase. Now, I'm sure the question you're wondering is, can Bitcoin actually grow much more, and how far can cryptocurrency even really go? Well, unless you've been living under a rock for the past year, the global pandemic has made the thought of carrying and touching money not such a normal thing, and having the money in the bank is not good either. With interest rates being super low, people are looking for the best place to put their money, and with crypto being so big, this is where a lot of people are turning to and why it continues to rise. Let's say the governments don't bring out their own digital currency, who knows where Bitcoin and crypto could go? It may reach 500,000 per coin, or it may flop and go to $5 per coin. That's just the beauty of it all, no one knows, and if they did, we would all be millionaires. Right now, let's cover Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that you can buy, sell and exchange directly, without an intermediary like a bank. The current price when making this video is $58,000 and has an all-time high of roughly $60,000. Bitcoin isn't all sunshine and rainbows though, and that's why I have my doubts. Basically, Bitcoin gets mined by miners, which takes up a ton of energy, and these could be seen as very bad and inspire more people to use the same sort of technology but just less energy and say bye-bye to Bitcoin. Bitcoin doesn't have an infinite supply though. There are around 21 million Bitcoins and over 18 million of them are already in existence. Now, as most people are guessing, when all the Bitcoins are mined, the price could shoot up by a large amount as the coin gets more demand, and this is definitely some good news for you Bitcoin holders. Definitely do not do what a man named Laszlo Hanyecz did in 2010, where he paid with Bitcoin to buy 2 pizzas and at the time was about $20, but if he would have held that Bitcoin, then today it would have been worth $13 million. Yes, a man paid effectively $613 million for 2 cheese pizzas. And no, he didn't turn into Superman. Apart from pizza stories, Bitcoin has recently become a new way for businesses to diversify their portfolio, and now we are seeing huge companies put a percentage of their profit into Bitcoin, and businesses are cautiously doing this now. I know I haven't sounded like a huge fan in this video, but this is definitely great news for Bitcoin and I'm glad this is happening. Okay, so next we have what is called altcoins. Altcoins are the coins that were created after Bitcoin's success, and these coins generally project themselves as better coin than Bitcoin. Some altcoins have seen a lot of success, for example Ethereum. Ethereum launched in 2015, it's an open source, blockchain-based, decentralized software platform used for its own cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Ethereum started at the price of about $2, and 3 days of being listed on the Kraken crypto market the price dropped even lower to 68 cents, and now 6 years later the price today stands at $2,000. Just think where you would be now if you brought 100 coins, makes you feel bad for buying the coffee machine that you never use right. As the time has passed, more and more better coins are being introduced to the market, and it's just a matter of time before they get the recognition they deserve, and that's why most of my portfolio is in the smaller altcoins like Cardano, Polkadot, Ripple and Stellar. If you want a video just about altcoins and my beautiful robot voice explaining them a little more, then just leave a comment. Is cryptocurrency just fool's gold? For me, even though I hold a small amount of crypto, there just isn't enough stability for me right now. Bitcoin could drop 90% tomorrow and it will bring all the altcoins down with it, or Elon Musk might tweet and say the price is still high and then it drops $10,000 tomorrow. So for now I will just take more of a step back and watch businesses like Tesla put $1.5 billion into it. Eventually I will probably invest more because I do like the whole concept of it. But for now I will stick to my small amount, therefore if it was to crash I wouldn't be too bothered. When you invest in crypto it's better as you just see it as you've lost it all. Don't invest money you would be hurt by if it crashed tomorrow. If it's going to get you nervous looking at your account every day, I would probably say stay away from it. But if you're just going to invest and what happens happens, then do your research and do what's best for you and your portfolio. Right now I really can't put my finger on it. Businesses and people putting a ton of money into it and then some others saying they wouldn't go near it, and this links back to my stability point. Right, let's sum this baby up. There is no right or wrong answer when it comes to investing in crypto. It's a massive topic right now, and building the awareness is helping the market a lot. Right now for me it just doesn't have the stability for me, as Elon Musk could tweet tomorrow and it might drop 20%. Unlike if he tweeted bad about a stock price, it probably won't move a lot, so that's a big thing that plays on my mind when it comes to investing. But for now I suppose that's a wrap. Check the link in the description for ways to make money online, check out my Instagram, and finally, smash the like button. See you soon my robot family.